see it. We in Betty, the box Chevy, once again. By the headliner, you can tell all this is gonna come down. Got a couple cruise ins now. I would love to take this thing too, but I can't drive two cars at once. We're gonna jump out of Betty, jump into 78 Malibu, and then we're gonna head to a big car show in Owensboro, Kentucky. I would love to be driving Betty down there. The plan was for Shorty to drive the 78 Malibu, me to drive Betty, the budget box Chevy, and my uncle to drive his 65 short bed. But Shorty had other things to do today, so hey, I ain't mad. But we out here in traffic, man. We out here in traffic, and the plan is to hit up there's a little cruise. There is a little cruise that I plan on taking Betty to. And again, Betty ain't no car show, man. It ain't no car show, but we out here in it. We out here in it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to get my first victim. And when I mean first victim, my first victim. You're going to find out. I'm about to get my first victim. But anyway, Betty's running good. I hooked up the electric fans as they supposed to be. I still don't have any gauges. You know, silly me. But I do have this and my laptop. But like I said, Betty's doing all right. Betty needs some gears. Betty riding around on this 273, man, that ain't hitting at all. And like I said, I'm ready to flip this camera around because Betty's ready to get her first victim. And it's right now. Oh no, well we're ready to show you. Man, what is going on with my camera? There it is. Betty ready to get her first victim, y'all. We can't be riding 30 miles an hour the whole way, man. She ready to get her first victim. And that victim is going to be this grand caravan in front of us. First victim ever in the box Chevy. We got to get to a spot where it's good to get around them, but we're going to get around them. And it's 273, like I said, man, it moves. Don't get me wrong, it moves. Chevy with a 355 in it, 700R. We out, man. We out in it. We out. I did put the new front seal in here, and at the time it wasn't leaking. We're gonna find out once I pull over here. I probably should have, when I got gas, I probably should have looked in, but I wasn't thinking, man. I'm talking to the guy to me with the pump next to me. I wasn't even thinking about looking at that. I checked the oil before we got in it this morning. Everything was all to the good. All to the good. Victims! 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 Yes, sir, we got us some victims. Uh-oh. They're growing that hemp, man. Smell like it. Smell like it, you know what I'm saying? But it's hemp. Smell like it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get on it off of this one. Jump in, man. Be sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe. You like the POV type of getting us some victims type of video? Because that's what this video is going to be about. Getting victims. If you like that kind of stuff, man, hit that like and hit that subscribe. We in the Budget Box Chevy, baby. We in the Budget Box Chevy, baby. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Swaps out.